A lake can disappear. One year it is full of water, the next it is cracked earth and dry sediment, and then, sometimes it fills again. This is not random. It is the result of water balance. In hydrology, there is a simple principle. Water in minus water out equals change in level. A lake receives water from rainfall, rivers, snowmelt, and groundwater. At the same time, water leaves through evaporation, surface outflow, and seepage into the ground. If incoming water decreases or outgoing water increases, the lake level begins to fall. If that imbalance continues, the lake can dry up. Evaporation is one of the most important factors. In hot climates, during droughts, or under windy conditions, evaporation accelerates. Warm air allows water molecules to escape into the atmosphere more easily. That is why many lakes shrink during the summer months. Some lakes are naturally seasonal. They exist only during rainy periods. When the rains stop, the water supply is cut off. Evaporation dominates and the lake dries. These are called seasonal or ephemeral lakes. Even though they may disappear for part of the year, they are ecologically important. They provide resting areas for birds and breeding habitats for amphibians and insects. Climate change is altering lake dynamics in many regions. Rising temperatures increase evaporation rates. Changing rainfall patterns and more frequent droughts reduce water input. In some places, lakes are not refilling the way they once did. Human activity also plays a major role. Water diverted for irrigation, industrial use, and expanding cities can reduce the flow of rivers that feed lakes. Overuse of groundwater can lower the water table, cutting off underground supply. When the inflow is reduced long enough, natural recovery becomes difficult. Yet lakes can return. If heavy rains arrive, if snowmelt is abundant, or if river flow increases, the water balance can shift back into positive territory. When more water enters than leaves, the lake refills. Some lakes follow yearly cycles of shrinking and expanding. Others change over decades. On longer timescales, geological processes also matter. Tectonic shifts, land subsidence, and long-term climate cycles can reshape entire lake basins. Throughout Earth's history, large lakes have vanished and new ones have formed. A lake is not a static feature on a map. It is a living water system constantly responding to climate, geology, and human influence. When a lake dries, it is not just water disappearing, it is the balance of a system shifting.